Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Kerbal Space Program. We are I looked it up, 15 now. It is currently January 24th, 2016, just to give you time when I'm recording this. In the middle, well, at the end of the east coast of the United States blizzard here. Anyway, we had 30 some science points, so I researched general rocketry, which gave us a few new options here: fuel tank, liquid engine, and a booster. And the survivability, which gave us a heat shield, a radiator panel, a tiny landing leg, a service bay, and a radial mount parachute. That will be next because that's got the first SAS stuff in it. But that's 45 science points, so we got a ways to go. But anyway, so we've got 3.8 left. So it's time, I think, to try to get into a high orbit. So we're going to start with a whole new foundation here. Alright. Science. Hey, you get the Science Junior. Wonder how that does. Utility. Radial mount parachute. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Actually, because I'm paranoid. There we go. Fantastic. Structure. And if you guys want me to speed through the shipbuilding, I can do that. I'm just going to try something here. I wonder how much science this will give us. Put one there. Oh no, we don't want the symmetry at all. Ah, crap. Yeah, I think the economy mode is definitely more of a challenge than, at least when I last played it, it should have been. Like, downrightly frustrating. So, swivel, that's the lower engine. Let me actually... Yeah, let's see how that works out. Structural, stack decoupler, fuel tanks. A couple of those things. We got pretty high off of that before. So I think that will be fine if we do 4 boosters on it. Let's see if we put those like here, right? That might be a little much. Aerodynamics. Nose cones, right. Yeah, let's put those more down here. That'll help with stability, I think. Boosters. See how high we can get with that science bay. Get some more sciencey points. Maybe we can get to orbit this time too. That way we can do multiple stages and whatnot. So that fire, okay, that makes some sense. Actually, let's put these down here in the same stage together. Put the winglets on there. Basic fin. That's a little big for that. We'll have to stick to just basic fins up here. And 2. Yeah, there we go. No, we don't want 4. I think that might interfere with the bay opening. I'm not sure if that makes any difference or not. But just in case. There we go. Alright. And a radio. We probably should have one of those. Let's see what the silent science lab does for us instead of the Kerbal 4. That's right. That's what we're up to. Let's see what the science bay gives us instead of the goo pod. Jebediah is back in the seat again. Alright. Let's get this. Let's light this candle. SAS is on. Go throttle that down. Throw that way down. Oh, cut that off entirely. Whoa, mama. Going a little fast. Okay, they exploded. Oh, okay. Okay, alright, we can handle this. Alright, whoa, alright, revert flight, revert to assembly. That swiveling engine might be the key to that down there. It's not as, umphy, but, just too many of those, I think, is the problem. Alright. Maybe just 2 boosters? Yeah, the flea. Using the flea. There's that. And the swivel engine. So those fire. Staging looks good. Probably should. The winglets. Yeah, going that fast in atmosphere, not a great idea. Alright, let's try that. A little bit of water. Still got some respiratory issues, but I'm doing better. So, let's try this again. Throttle that way down. That way down. There we go. Well, they exploded. That's fine. Waste disposal, right? Whoa, it's just too dang top heavy. I think is the problem there. Alright, revert to assembly. Alright, back to the drawing board. Just ditch that. I think it's just too dang top heavy. Actually, don't they have the center of mass and center of thrust? That's what we need. The swivel. One of those. Fuel tanks. A couple of these puppies. See, it puts the center of mass. I don't know, maybe it's too bottom heavy? Maybe that's it? I don't know, I'm just guessing at this point. Yeah, definitely overkill. I'm thinking here. So we keep tumbling. We got too much at liftoff, really. I wonder. Hang on. So let's stage this a little differently. We've got the hammer. I'm gonna leave the winglets on. I think that's part of the issue too. Alright. So these two are in a stage together. Okay. So it's just crazy enough, it might work. Add that. And where are my other thruster things? Okay. Actually, let's get rid of those. Let's go with the fleas. I think at this point, anything other is too much. Alright. Arrow. You two. Alright. Nose cones. That one. And that one. They need to fire. Boom. Those two light. Boom. Alright. I'll put that down here too. Alright. Let's try that. So that way what we're doing is we're going to have two boosters fire, separate, the next two fire, separate. Maybe that won't give us so much speed all at once, and we won't be tumbling as bad. Tumbler is a terrible place anyway. So, alright, let's go. Slowly. There we go. Alright. Things going okay. Keeping the winglets on seem to have kept everything stable. Let's observe the bay. Hey, holy crap. Keep data, that's a lot. Alright. I don't know if we'll make it out of the atmosphere. Ooh, doggy. But yeah, anyway, the last few days we've had quite the snowstorm, and it's not been too bad. They were forecasting several... Whoa, slow that puppy down. Forecasting several inches, 18 or so for our area, and we only got like 8, so... Yeah, well, what are you gonna do? Oh, man. Nah. Alright, we don't have anything. Uh-oh. That's gonna come down right on top of us, isn't it? Uh-oh. 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 No, it didn't. Alright, good enough. Take a screenshot here. There we go. Extend. There you go, because we like it extended. Anyway. But, so I decided to stay inside and play some video games. For the most part. I think I might try to put a picture in the video of what it looks like out in my backyard. Or out my back window. Let's see. Hopefully the materials bay survives. Woohoo! That's a tough antenna. Episode title. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Yeah, let's not... That's not going to end good. Revert to... let's revert the launch. Oh, return episode title. Okay. So, we can get pretty high with this design. Although we don't need to go... Actually... One of the samples appears to be judging you silently. Wow, that's 7 science. Let's recover that. Keep data, recover vessel. I don't know, that felt a little like cheating, but we'll go with it. Let's see. Almost like we don't need that upper stage entirely right now. Get rid of that. Just added weight we don't need. Alright. Regulator 4. How do you do fractions in Roman numerals? I don't know. We'll call this a 4.5. Alright, last launch, and then we're going to call it an episode that'll be right at my 20-minute mark. We're just trying to scrape up the science. Alright, let's light this thing. Throttle down. That's great. We still have that whole fuel tank left to go. Less resilient samples of bigger to splatter interior forming new and colorful color combinations. We will keep that. Yes, sir. Alright, let's go down range here. Let's go aim for the mountains. I live in the mountains. Let's go for there. Whee! So we get a little bit more altitude. Actually, let's try to control our landing a little. Make things interesting. Let's see if we can't rotate. So these, on the gimbal, you've got these marks. And that circle there is the X. The circle is in the path of your orbit, and the X is like out the other direction. So firing your engine this way will slow you down. We're trying to kill some horizontal velocity there. There we go. Semi-controlled landing. Kind of move it. We go straight down. That's what we want. We want to go straight down. So we're going to push in that way. By firing on this side of this mark here, we're slowly tipping the rocket. There we go. Now we're essentially... Oh. Well. Smell you later, fuel tank. Thanks for the ride. It was a short one. That's what she said. Okay. What? Oh no. Did I screw up again? Now that we're picking up speed, we're falling like a rock. Okay, there we go. Safe, alright. Let's deploy all of our chutes. I guess, does it turn yellow when it's... Does that mean it's, like, halfway stressed? Like, if they turn red, they're overstressed? Let's see what Jeb sees. What was that? Oh, that was probably our fuel tank smacking into the ground. We can see the Space Center. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to hit the surface at a nice leisure 3 meters per second. This might be overly parachuted. This is going to take a while. Jeez, like, he's still smiling, but you look out of his window here, and it's just the ground coming up quicker and quicker. Alrighty, we'll land this thing and then we'll call it an episode. I hope it was right in the 20 minutes friendly mark. Too bad I didn't fly around this cursor. That'd be funny. Oh, I'm not at 4x. There we go. Let's get some haste on this. Next flight, we should try to hit orbit, and then use the container up there, and the goo thing. Take the goo thing too. Let's see how much science points we can get off of that. Might get enough to buy those expensive packs. There we go. Gentle. Look at that. Like a glove. Can I use that? I don't know. All right. I would get him out, but we probably never get him back in. We'll recover the vessel. And 28 science. Looking good. Data gathered. Survive flight, parts, crew, ready for next assignment. All right. Well, this has been episode 15 of Kerbal Space Program, I think, and I will see you in the next one.